All right, all right, all right. Do me a favor, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like, drop some comments, throw me a few bucks, and let's move on to the market. So, here's the 60, and we're doing what we wanted it to do. The low of the day was 364, like on a gnat's ass. That's what we were looking for. Now we need that to hold. Um, Actually, this is the 120. My bad. But if we break the high of this 120, which is 410, then that's a good trigger for a move up. I mean, we might get hung up around the 450, 445 area, but this is what we're looking for, man. We like the way it's laying out. We still have about 15 minutes to go in the market, and this this is the daily. And let me check one more time because I keep doing that. Yep, it's the daily. And look, you can see we tagged our goal of the 364, and yeah, there was a gap here that we had filled when we did this consolidation right here, but it still works as a congestion area. um, doesn't mean tomorrow we don't turn around and take out that 43.18. It depends what sentiment is. But this is a nice lineup. I'm not too crazy about this move here, but I like this drop back. And if we could break today's high tomorrow, we may very well go up and retest this double top. And you know what? I'd say third time's a charm, man. If we come up to this area one more time, I think we can bust through it. And that's what we're looking for. Everything's in Putin's hands, and the guy's kicking his feet and getting attention. I don't think he wants to invade. I don't think it's in his best interest because he's just bringing harm. We're not going to accept it. We're going to bring harm on him, and economically, and you're talking about the long term growth of your country. So I don't think he's going to do it. I think he's going to bitch and moan a little bit. So, but if you play in the Putin fear, then I think this is it. This is the move down on Putin, and we got the opportunity to get in at the 364, and we're actually 30 points higher than that right now, which is a beautiful thing. We would like to close a little higher. This is, I guess you could argue a hammer. That's a little bit high on wick up top. I would rather not see such an aggressive wick up and then a sell off. But we still have 15 minutes. A move up would be dandy. If we closed above that 426, that would be a peachy keen. Just close flat for the day would be great. That would be a nice bar. And I like the green hammers better than the red hammers. I mean, you could still call this. I know some traders who won't take that trade on the break of the hammer unless it's a green hammer. But or a hammer with the close higher than the open. Ultimately, the color indication would be green. So we're just going to watch that, man. We're just going to watch that. And what's the 10-year doing? The 10 years hovering around 19. And that's it. I know I'm going to start throwing some crypto on this. I just want to see what vehicle I want to use to clock it. I'll probably just clock Bitcoin, although there are ETFs that are doing crypto all in all, so that could give me a good general feel. A couple of free folk friends are trading it, so I just want to give them some guidance and opinion on it. So stay tuned. Anyway, that's it. That's all I'm going to do. I'm going to go chill. I'm a little tired. Went for a run. So, everybody, have a good evening. Be calm and cool. Be at peace when you trade. I will catch you in the morning. Good luck with your trades.